My name is Gilad Adler and I'm a managing partner at Rimon. Rimon is a packing house that is specialized in Medjool dates. We do not actually grow or sell dates. Our part is handling the sorting, the packing and the logistics for over 100 farmers and marketing companies. During the season, we process about 100 tons of dates each day. We expect to handle nearly 12,000 tons this season. Over the years, as our company started to grow, we realized there was a growing need for sorting that is consistent, precise, and high quality. The first challenge was maintaining accuracy over time. When we rely on workers to constantly adjust and correct the machines, it creates problems with consistency over long-term quality. If we want to deliver a product that is precise and uniform throughout the entire sorting season, we need machines that can handle that level of work on their own. Another major challenge is manpower. This is a well-known issue in our industry and a very big operational and financial challenge. Our industry is highly labor-intense, and if we want to stay relevant in the long term, we must find ways to reduce the dependency. The third challenge is handling the growing volumes. Since the sorting season must remain limited in time, we face the need to process many more dates each day. To achieve this, we need machines that are capable of keeping up with the increased quantities. Our journey with Elisam and Elisam began several years ago. From the very first machine we purchased from Elisam, we saw that we are working with people who truly understand our needs. They know how to design excellent solutions, but just as important, they provide professional and responsive service even after the installation. The evaluation process took time and was very thorough. We compared different solutions, visited other packing houses, and tested the technology in real working conditions. It was important for us to see not only how the machines perform, but also how reliable and consistent the results are over time. What really helps us make the decision was the combination of advanced technology and the people behind it. When we first started working with the new technology, we immediately realized that we had made the right choice. Sorting accuracy improved significantly. At the same time, the sorting speed increased, which allows us to process much larger volume each day. Because the machine now does most of the work, there was no longer a need to rely on a judgment of individual worker. This opened a new door to the next big step, a big reduction in labor requirements. The new machine allows us to reduce the number of workers we need, ensure consistent, high-quality performance over time, and lower the overall cost. Over the years, the Elisam and Elisam team have been by our side as our packing house has grown, always there to provide support and service at the moment that mattered the most. The Elisam team really understood the way we think and is deeply connected to the day-to-day reality of our operation. There is no doubt that this technology has helped us position the company as a leader in our field, while at the same time enable us to provide even better service to both our growers and marketing companies.